Okay, important lesson and important tool. Whenever we talk about a book, and so we have to really talk about that accurately and especially. So books are designed into many sections. In about like cover is separated from the others, and we have table of contents, and table of content is separated from the other, and then finally the content and finally the reference is different from the others. I mean, their headers and their footers and everything are different. So that's somehow how the book are formatted these days. So they have different header and footer into each sections. So in this part, we're gonna talk about how we can create uh, sections and also page break and page column break, all of that in here available. So let's go to the insert. We have break in here. So in break, we have tons of break, like page break, column break, and section break continuously. So page break is only breaking pages really in between. Okay, for example, I trim this page. So I'm going to just click in here. So I just want to have this one into one page and this one into another page. So I'm going to go to the insert and then break and page break. So right now you can see they are in different different page. Okay, so that's it about the page break that we learned right now. And column break is also the same thing. Okay, let me just format this as a column. We're gonna click on here, format and column. So you can see right now it's into column. So I want to just break columns between. Click in here, break, column break. So you can see right now it's already broken into pieces. So that's it about the page break and column break. But the this one is a little bit different, section break and section break. Now section break will it will just take you to the next page, but this one don't. Okay, this one will not take you to the next page. For example, let's have another section. So right now this one is only one section. I'm gonna create lots of pages. So we have 15 pages right over here, and we're gonna click. I'm gonna click this cover book. Okay, cover book or book cover. I'm gonna say book cover, and then this one should be table of contents. Okay, table of contents, and then in here should be just content. Okay, so the content of the book should be right in here. So let's see, let's write now. Now, if I go manually, if I go in here and add a page and a header and footer, things like that, and if I go to page numbers and header, so right now you can see it's gonna be into every page. So you can see book cover, it also has one. Table of contents has as well, contents as well. So they have page numbers as well in each. So sections help us to control the header and footer better, and they manage them so they don't have exact and like before, like previous sections page number or format in the header and sections in the header and footer section. So we're gonna click in again. We're gonna right now separate it and we're gonna insert in other section. So this one is right now. So I'm gonna click again, I'm gonna click back again and copy this one and paste it right in here. How you understand that it's a different section, so you double click, it says header section 2, section 1. And one buttons will come up in here, like link to previous. So this is cover of the book, so we don't wanna really we don't wanna that the cover page should be the same as that. No, we don't want that. So let's click on link to previous, should be disabled. We're gonna click again in here, disabled. So right now, let me just go to here and page number, and so in here you decide this section, section 2, yes. Click again. So right now it says page 2, so that's not what we wanted. So it should start at page number 1. So there you go, we made it. So this one don't have even one. Wow, that's very nice. So this one has it. Okay, this one has it. So we should also do that as well. So I'm going to cut this one. We should also create another. So this two should be another. I'm going to go again in here into insert and break and section break. So we wanted this one a table of contents, the content. So I'm going to click link to previous. So you can see right now it's cut it down and link to previous and yeah, just do it like that. So I'm gonna insert another page and click again. So this section, yeah, this section 3 and start at 1 and click again. So let's review what we did right now so you understand it better. So cover of book doesn't have any page number. Table of contents has page numbers. So these are all page numbers, and contents has different page numbers. So that's about it, okay? And about this one, okay, it's about continuous section break. Okay, it doesn't it's a continuous, so it doesn't create a new page. So that's it about the page numbers and also break and also header and footer. Talk to you soon about the link.